Alright, so this is example 3 on the back of your worksheet. We want to prove this property of midpoints. If you know that M is the midpoint of AB, right, so our given, prove that AB is 2 times AM, and AM is 1/2 of AB. Alright, so our given is M is the midpoint of AB. Well, if A is the midpoint of AB, then we know that segment AM is congruent to segment MB, right? Because the definition of a midpoint says that this midpoint separates these two in perfect halves, okay? So segment AM is going to be congruent to segment MB. And that is by the definition of a midpoint. Now, by the definition of segment congruence, we can conclude that AM is equal to MB. Okay? Now, using our segment addition postulate, going back to the old chapter, as you all know, AM plus MB is going to equal AB. Okay? Now, if we know that AM equals MB, we can substitute AM in for MB here. Okay? So that was done by our substitution property of equality. Then we can simplify this equation. Now we're simplifying because we're adding AM plus AM on one side of the equation to give us 2AM. Okay, so we simplify that side of the equation. Next, if you divide by 2, by the division property of equality, right? We multiply both sides, or divided both sides by 2. Our conclusion is AM is equal to 1/2 of AB.